Hello there everyone, uxwbill here once again. Got some scrap metal stuff laying around that's soon to be hauled off, including this big old thing, a kitchen cabinet that my mother used to use to store all of her canned goods before we were ready to consume them. Unfortunately, as nice as this cabinet was at one time, that big dent in the top and a few basement floods have definitely taken their toll on it. I've got some kind of a broken lawnmower thing over there that I might pull the engine off of, as that's still good. The wrecked remains of a kerosene heater, and then the thing I'm going to talk about in this particular video, which I'd better hurry up and get it done because the Handycam is telling me that its battery has about had it. We've got the remains of this old water heater. Well, the blow-off valve on it was essentially brand new, so we pulled that off and kept it. And then I got a brilliant idea to pull out one of my favorite toys and take a look inside the water heater tank. Now, I've gone ahead and done that part already earlier in the day, but thanks to the magic of video editing, you wouldn't know that unless I told you. And while the amount of light that was getting in the tank wasn't particularly great, and I don't think the borescope had quite enough light of its own to truly make it an illuminating experience, it's still kind of interesting to take a look around in there. So, here we go.